Hey guys, it's Hannah. I'm here at our Hamilton Mill location. I'm one of the estheticians, and today I'm going to be demonstrating our dermaplaning treatment. Dermaplaning is a super simple, no downtime treatment that involves using a surgical, sterile blade to just gently exfoliate the skin. Dermaplaning is a great way to remove dead skin buildup and vellus hair off of the skin. Dermaplaning is going to be really great for giving you a nice bright complexion and to really smooth out your skin. Your makeup is going to go on so much smoother, and all of your skincare products or treatments that we do afterwards are going to penetrate so much better. I recommend doing dermaplaning every 4 to 6 weeks, and it's also an amazing add-on for hydrofacial, diamond glow, and laser genesis. Starting off with our line defying eye gel, this is really going to help to minimize and smooth out any little fine lines around the eyes from dehydration. Next, I'm going to be using our Phyto Soothing Serum. This serum has some amazing botanicals in it that's really going to help to minimize any redness and soothe any inflammation in the skin. Next, I'm going to be using our Ultra Serum. This is a hyaluronic acid and peptide-rich serum that's really going to help to deeply nourish and hydrate her skin. For moisturizer, I'm using our Dream Cream Enriched. This is a wonderful emollient-rich moisturizer. Last but certainly not least, I'm going to finish off my client with some SPF. Today, we're going to be using the Correct and Protect Sheer Mineral SPF 45. For 24 hours after the service, we recommend avoiding any steamy showers, wearing makeup, or trying not to touch your face.